उसने दरवाजे पर तोरण बांध रखा है। He tied a decorative string on the door for good luck. He tied a decorative string on the door for good luck. वो घर में झाड़ू को कभी खड़ा नहीं रखता। He never keeps the broom standing upright in the house. He never keeps the broom standing upright in the house. कुछ लोग तिजोरी में चावल और सिक्का रखते हैं। Some people keep rice and coins in the safe. Some people keep rice and coins in the safe. उसने कहा रात को नाखून नहीं काटने चाहिए। He said nails should not be cut at night. He said nails shouldn't be cut at night. उसके माथे पर काला टीका लगा है नज़र से बचाने के लिए। There is a black mark on her forehead to protect from the evil eye. There is a black mark on her forehead to protect from the evil eye. अब कोई बात बाकी नहीं रही कहने को। There is nothing left to say anymore. There is nothing left to say anymore. मेरी खामोशी को मेरी कमज़ोरी मत समझना। Don't mistake my silence for weakness. Do not mistake my silence for weakness. मैंने सबर इसलिए रखा क्योंकि उम्मीद थी। I stayed patient because I had hope. I stayed patient because I had hope. तुम्हें मेरी कदर तब होगी जब मैं चला जाऊंगा। You will value me when I am gone. You will value me when I am gone. मैं किसी से बदला नहीं लेने आया। I haven't come to take revenge on anyone. I have not come to take revenge on anyone. कभी कभी मौन रहना ही समझदारी होती है। Sometimes staying silent is the wisest thing to do. Sometimes staying silent is the wisest thing to do. मैं अब भी वही हूँ, बस नज़रिया बदल गया है। I'm still the same, only my perspective has changed. I'm still the same, only my perspective has changed. क्या तुम्हें यकीन है कि यही सच है? Are you sure this is the truth? Are you sure this is the truth? तुम उस वक्त क्या सोच रहे थे? What were you thinking about at that moment? What were you thinking about at that moment? क्या कोई और भी तुम्हारे साथ था? Was someone else with you too? Was someone else with you too? तुम्हें ये कागज कहाँ से मिला? Where did you get this paper from? Where did you get this paper from? क्या वो तुम्हारी बात से सहमत था? Did he agree with what you said? Did he agree with what you said? तुम वहाँ किस लिए गए थे? Why did you go there? Why did you go there? क्या उसने सच सच सब कुछ बताया? Did he tell everything truthfully? Did he tell everything truthfully? मुझे उस पर विश्वास है। I have faith in him. I have faith in him. मैं चाहूँगा कि वह अपने फैसले खुद ले। I would like him to make his own decisions. I would like him to make his own decisions. क्या तुम मुझसे मिलने आ सकते हो? कैन यू कम टू मीट मी? कैन यू कम टू मीट मी? मैं चाहता हूँ कि सब कुछ अच्छे से हो। आई वॉन्ट एवरीथिंग टू गो वेल। आई वॉन्ट एवरीथिंग टू गो वेल। क्या तुम चाहोगे कि वह भी आए? वुड यू लाइक हिम टू कम टू? वुड यू लाइक हिम टू कम टू? मैं चाहता हूँ कि तुम सच बोलो। आई वॉन्ट यू टू स्पीक द ट्रूथ। आई वॉन्ट यू टू स्पीक द ट्रूथ। मुझे उससे मिलने में कोई आपत्ति नहीं है। आई हैव नो ऑब्जेक्शन इन मीटिंग हिम। आई हैव नो ऑब्जेक्शन इन मीटिंग हिम। वह कभी कोई नया प्रयोग करने से डरता है। He is afraid to try anything new. He is afraid to try anything new. क्या तुमने मुझे मेल करना याद रखा? Did you remember to email me? Did you remember to email me? मैं ऐसे कामों से दूर रहता हूँ जिसमें खतरा हो। I stay away from risky tasks. I stay away from risky tasks. मैं समय पर आना भूल गया था। I forgot to come on time. I forgot to come on time. जोखिम लेने से पहले मुझे योजना बनानी होती है। I need to plan before taking risks. I need to plan before taking risks. वह मुझे जन्मदिन की बधाई देना भूल गई। She forgot to wish me on my birthday. She forgot to wish me on my birthday. मैं सुरक्षित रहना पसंद करता हूँ। I prefer staying safe. I prefer staying safe. अगर वो फिर से कोशिश करे तो शायद सफल हो जाए। If he tries again, he might succeed. If he tries again, he might succeed. तुम्हें अब अपने फैसलों की जिम्मेदारी लेनी होगी। You will have to take responsibility for your decisions now. You will have to take responsibility for your decisions now. उसने जो किया वो मजबूरी में किया था। What he did out of compulsion. What he did out of compulsion. अब मैं किसी से कुछ उम्मीद नहीं रखता। Now I expect nothing from anyone. Now I expect nothing from anyone. मैं बस अपना फर्ज निभा रहा था। I was simply fulfilling my duty. I was simply fulfilling my duty. अब तो दर्द भी आदत बन गया है। Now even pain has become a habit. Now even pain has become a habit. मैंने खुद को वक्त के हवाले कर दिया। I surrendered myself to time. I surrendered myself to time. तुमने मुझसे यह बात पहले क्यों नहीं कही? Why didn't you tell me this before? Why did not you tell me this before? क्या उसने जवाब दिया जो चुप रहा? Did he respond or stay silent? Did he respond or stay silent? क्या तुम्हें पता है कि वो कहाँ गया था? Do you know where he had gone? Do you know where he had gone? तुम्हारे चेहरे पर यह मुस्कान क्यों है? Why do you have that smile on your face? Why do you have that smile on your face? क्या उसने सच में माफ़ी मांगी थी? Did he really apologize? Did he really apologize? परसों मौसम बहुत अच्छा था, इसलिए हम बाहर घूमने गए। The weather was very pleasant the day before yesterday, so we went out. The weather was very pleasant the day before yesterday, so we went out. मैं हर दिन कुछ नया सीखता था ताकि खुद में सुधार ला सकूं। I used to learn something new every day to improve myself. I used to learn something new every day to improve myself. मैंने टाइम टेबल बनाया ताकि पढ़ाई व्यवस्थित हो सके। I made a timetable to organize my studies. I made a timetable to organize my studies. मैंने जल्दी सोने की आदत डाली ताकि नींद पूरी हो सके। I got into the habit of sleeping early to get enough rest. I got into the habit of sleeping early to get enough rest. हमने योजना बदली ताकि बेहतर नतीजे मिल सके। We changed the plan to get better results. We changed the plan to get better results. मैंने उसे पहले ही बता दिया था ताकि कोई भ्रम ना हो। I informed him earlier to avoid any confusion. I informed him earlier to avoid any confusion. तुम इतनी देर क्यों कर रहे थे? Why are you taking so long? Why are you taking so long? क्या वह उसे हंसा सका? Was he able to make her laugh? Was he able to make her laugh? आपके बैग में क्या है? What's in your bag? What is in your bag? मुझे यह सब पुराने ज़माने की बातें लगती हैं। I find all this stuff old fashioned. I find all this stuff old fashioned. So friends, ये था हमारा आज का वीडियो। If you like this video and learn something new from this video or this channel, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel English Succeed Pro. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you everyone.